Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mint beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type mint.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Mint homepage to load. Look for the sign in button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once your email and password are entered, click on the Sign In button. Wait for the page to reload to your dashboard. If prompted, complete any additional security verification. This may include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email. Once verified, you will be taken to your Mint account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features of your. Congratulations, you are now logged into Mint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.